guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for watching. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Today we are stepping out of our comfort zone today, and we were playing with pastel colors, spring-like colors, and this is the look I came up with. I had so much fun creating this look. This look is so beautiful. You can't tell me this ain't beautiful. Oh my god, I don't even want to wash it off. This is so pretty. Anyway, if you want to see how I created this beautiful fantasy look, if you want to call it, I don't even know what to call this look. So if you want to see how I created this beautiful look, please keep on watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. So today's palette, we are using the Fade Into the Hue palette by ColourPop. I know I'm a little late to this palette. Yes, I know. However, we are here. And when I saw this palette, all I could have seen is spring vibes. Look at these colors. Isn't it gorgeous? Just screams spring. So we're going to come up with something beautiful using this beautiful palette. Starting off with freshly washed face. My brows is already done, and I already prepped my lids using my LOUISE base in room number 5. You're going to be playing with the blues and some of the greens. I don't know which colors yet. Somehow the blue and the green rose are calling me. So let's see what we come up with. We're going to start off with this blue shade called Iconic. And I'm using a BH Cosmetics brush number 10 brush for this. And we're going to do something a little bit more on the creative side today. So I'm just going to apply this where I see my natural crease line is. Every eye shape is different, so I'm just going to follow that line as though I'm making a cut crease. Bring it down to the bridge of the nose and carry it up halfway. And you're drawing using your natural crease line as a guide. Going in with a clean M506 brush by Morphe. It's a small, very tiny brush for detailing. I'm just going to blend out the edges. We're going to use the color Take It Easel to blend that out even further. And between those two blues, I'm going to go in with the color Watermark. Going back in with my Rumor number 5 by LOUISE base, I'm going to attempt to cut my crease. It's been a while since I've done this, so hopefully we get it nice and sharp. So that being said, we're going to use our Makeup Shack brush in T41. It's nice and thin. Hopefully it gives us what we need. Next, I'm going to go in with Watermark, and I'm going to apply this color in a winged out direction on the lower part of my lids. And this does not have to be perfect because we're smudging it out. Make sense? Next, I'm going to go back in with the color Iconic. I'm going to use a flat Morphe E43 brush, looks like this. And we're going to apply this close to the lash line, the upper lash line as possible, and let it fade into that watermark color. And I'm going to blend those two colors together. We're going to use the color Kaleidoscope, this shimmery color right here, just in the center, and let's see what we get. That's cute. You want to pack it on heavier in the inner portion of the eye and kind of let it fade out the wing. Ain't that cute? Oh my god, that's so cute. I'm gonna remove the tape, see what we get. Oh, that's beautiful. That is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna go and finish the rest of my face off camera. It's the same old products that I keep using over and over, so no need to repeat it. And we're gonna come back and finish the rest of the eyes. And here's where we are. Now we're gonna add some more color to spruce up this eye look. I'm gonna line my lower waterline using this Morphe green pencil. Not sure of the name. It came in a set. It's the, what is this, the Lucky Charm set. I bought the whole set. So I'm gonna line my lower waterline with this green. I'm gonna apply this ColourPop cream gel liner in the shade Aglow. It's a really pretty green. We're just going to add this in the center of the lash line. So for the center of that lower lash line, we're going to use the color Pose. Back from our ColourPop palette. And I'm using a MAC 242S brush, just on the tip, and right where we have that lighter green, we're going to smudge that out in the center right there, keeping it just in the center of the lower lash line. Like so. And using the same brush, we're going to go back in with the palette again, and we're going to use the color Dyed Up at the ends and in the third of the lower lash line. I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara on my lower lash line. I'm going to add some rhinestones that I bought from Amazon, and I'm going to add this to bling this look up some more. Guys, this brings us to the end of our video. Thank you for hanging with me. If you want to see more content like this, please click the thumbs up button below. That way I'll know you guys enjoy content like this and I will create more for you. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.